Morning, ma'am.
Sorry. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. So, how are you
Ma'am, I
doing?
wear a headphone.
Again, maths. Again, maths. No.
What?
Tomorrow
Good morning, ma'am.
is science.
You guys you students seems to be in full energy. Full energy.
Yes, I do.
Good morning,
Great.
ma'am.
Ali, come sit at your place. Everybody wearing sweaters and those caps and all. Jackets, feeling very cold or what?
Except
Yeah,
for
but
me,
they are
ma'am.
so cold.
Except for me.
Yeah,
Except for me.
you.
I have full light.
Except for me also. Yes. You got a very
Except for
strong.
me also. Why this is a little low.
Okay. Zainab, Amara, how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
And Amara, how are you?
Just before.
Ma'am, I'm little fine.
Okay. It seems to be. At least you seems to be better than yesterday. Musfira Rizwani, how are you? Musfira, Ian, Khatija, how are you? Mariam is not there? Okay.
No,
Have you? Okay.
Today is English.
Okay. Have
Means
you? Now,
ma'am,
yeah.
tables I know 2 to 6. I know the
Good.
tables 2 to 6.
But except for Ali, no one has sent me the video. Why is it so? Except for Ali. Amir has not sent. Zainab has not sent. Ian has not sent. Amara has not sent. Musfira Rizwani has not sent. Why? May I know the reason?
What?
I love math.
What Musfira
I
Sayyed?
said why I
You-
love math.
You should listen the instructions carefully. Na?
Time to, I was preparing for the exam last time, so I didn't get time to finish the artwork.
But this is also going to come in your exam, Musfira. This is a
Yes.
part of your maths assessment, maths exam. Don't forget that. You have to do the tables and I'm going to ask you. Nobody except for... Yeah, what?
Ma'am, I'm saying I know till 8.
Yeah, but you didn't send me the video, na? Khatija, turn on your camera. Let me see you. Musfira Rizwani, turn on your camera. Yeah?
In ICT, that scratch, we just have to make the wallpaper and that.
Tomorrow I'll explain you. We have ICT class, right?
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Today we will discuss about science is clear, I guess. Do you have any doubt in science? I will ask you. Yeah, Zainab?
Pencils. Ma'am, can I tell something?
Yeah, tell Zainab.
Yesterday you said to actually write till 10, right?
What? What?
Do we just write 10 or we have to write from 1 to 10?
I didn't get you. What you talking about that spin wheel thing? Spin wheel? Yeah. Okay.
Do we have to
So
write to 1 to 10 or just 10? I made the colored the spin wheel.
now everyone
and it's
listen.
looking so nice.
Okay, now should I speak? Look, the idea is for your maths assessment, for your maths exam, you have to make it from 2 to 10 tables. 2 to 10 tables spin wheel. Okay. Till what date I have given you date timing? 28th Jan or before. I think it's a long time. You can do it. 28th Jan. Okay, Zainab, wait, Khatija. I'm telling to everyone. Yeah. Let me instruct it, na? Let me complete it, then you can speak up. Khatija. Yeah. Then for your arts assessment, your arts exam, you have to do.
Man, do we have to make? Ma'am,
Yeah. Yeah. Tell me.
do we have to make the spin wheel from 2 table to 10 table?
Till 10. Yes, that's what I'm saying, na Khatija. That's what I told to Zainab has the same query. That's what I am instructing, what has to be done. I'm asking you, at least listen, what am I saying? So you'll get it. Okay. So for your maths assessment, what you have to do for your maths exam, 10 marks is there for your spin wheel thing. So you can make out how important it is, right? From 2 to 10 tables, you have to make the spin wheel and you have to submit it before 28th January. Is that clear? I gave you a lot of time.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am,
Yeah. Yeah,
I
Zainab.
can't make 2 to 10 table.
Why? Why, Ali?
okay.
Why? I don't have so many spin wheel.
You have to get it, na? I'm giving you time.
How?
Okay? Yeah, Zainab, tell me.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
do we have to like decorate it also because Aparna ma'am says?
Yeah, for Aparna ma'am's exam, you have to decorate it. You have to make for 3 tables, 2, 3, and 4. She told you, na, just make for 3 tables and decorate it. Okay. And that 3, if you look,
I have colored it already.
look, listen to me. For Aparna ma'am's exam, you will make how many spin wheels? Tell me. How many spin wheels you'll make? 3. 2 you have already made. You just have to color it. Am I right? Then you'll make for 3 stable, then 4 stable. Then you keep that for my maths also. Are you understanding? Don't make separately. Then start making for 4, 5, 6, 7. Are you understanding? Your both job will be done. Both
Ma'am,
assessment will be done.
Amara,
Yeah, Mara.
for maths exam, do we have to make that spin wheel?
No. You have to make it at your home and then you have to show me the pictures. Take the pictures and upload it at Google Classroom. Okay?
Okay, okay.
Understood?
And in arts exams, what will happen in arts?
Ma'am will tell you. Ma'am will tell you. Don't worry. She asks you to decorate it. She asks you to make 3 spin wheels table and just decorate it. Okay? Is that fine?
And show it to her.
Her. It would be that only. Na? Then she'll give you marks. Okay? Amara?
Okay.
And in my case, what you will do? You will make the table 2 to 10 and
2 to
spin
10.
wheel. And it's
And
up to you. Want to decorate all up to you. I kept it on you. And then just take pictures and upload it at Google Classroom. Okay?
Okay.
This will be for 10 marks. And remaining 25 marks is there. Remaining 15 marks, I'll ask you the question. I'll give you the question paper. Next Friday, Wednesday. Yeah. Yeah, Khatija.
And
Khatija, please ask your query, beta.
do we, ma'am, how do you make the?
How do you make what?
I forgot.
Actually,
Never
you know
mind.
what? There is a connectivity issue from your side. We couldn't hear you clearly. Is it me or you people can hear her properly? Or is it me?
I
Hear her. He's
but
telling.
her voice is cracking and
That's what I'm saying,
she's
na?
lost.
It's not smooth. I cannot hear her properly.
You
Ali,
are in-
here you
I
can,
can
Ali,
hear
you can hear her, na? Tell me, what is it? What is she saying?
He's telling he forgot how to make the spin wheel.
Really? So, Aparna ma'am must have uploaded the video, this thing recording.
No, not that.
Then,
That.
then what is it?
I forgot how to put the numbers.
The numbers. He forgot to put the numbers.
So, beta, just go through the recording once, na? So you'll get it. Okay? Yeah, Khatija, or you can ask Aparna ma'am in your next arts class. Fine? Okay, should we come back to maths? Should we come back to maths?
Yes.
Now maths
But I
assessment
want
is clear.
science. I'm
Tomorrow.
ready.
Tomorrow we will have science, okay? Tomorrow. And ICT, have you gone through the ICT, this thing, paper pattern, everyone? Except for Amara, nobody is okay. Tomorrow I'll explain you what has to be done for ICT. Fine?
Ma'am, not me also. Not me also.
What?
I also didn't saw.
You didn't see?
No,
Okay, okay. Fine, just go through
I'll
it. Tomorrow I'll
see.
explain you.
I'll see it today. Okay.
Yeah, please see. It's very easy. You just have to make a scratch content and you have to share a screen and show it to me. I'll give you
What's the
marks on that.
content, ma'am?
Content means you have to make a story. You can make a short, take a
How
backdrop.
to make a story? But
Amara, you can't take a backdrop. You cannot take a sprite. You cannot put this thing, conversation between them. Hi, hello
oh
thing.
yeah,
That's it.
yes.
That's it. Only
Exams.
the part I have
For
taught you.
exams.
Yes, yes. You have to keep it ready and you have to show it to me. You have to do it at home.
Tomorrow.
Okay? No, next week, beta. Next week exam is there.
Okay.
Okay. And Microsoft Excel, you'll be having test on Microsoft Excel. Am I right? I'll ask questions from Microsoft Excel. And from where I will ask the notes I have already given in the Google Classroom. Please go through it. Is that clear? Okay. Chalo. And for science, it's very simple. Our senses. That I'll be asking you 25 questions from our senses. And I hope all of you are prepared with it. Okay.
Ma'am, can you tell the ICT one?
Yeah.
I could not hear you.
Yeah, Zainab, what is it? Tell me, beta.
Can you tell the ICT one what we
Okay,
have to
sure.
do, because I could not
Okay,
hear you.
sure. Look, you all know now your paper is of 25 marks. I hope everyone is aware of it. Right. I have distributed this marks for ICT and maths. Maths I have explained you. You remember maths I have explained you. For ICT, what I have done? For ICT, what I have done? 15 marks for Scratch, 10 marks for Excel. Do you remember we have done Microsoft Excel? And 15 marks for Scratch.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
for Scratch, what you will do? You will make a coding, a content in Scratch. Keep it ready, make it at home, okay? And next week on assessment exam week, share the screen and show it to me. What have you done? Okay? Okay. Is that clear? And I'll give you
What
marks.
do you
Is
mean
that
by
Zainab
content?
clear? Is that clear to you, Zainab? Yeah. And for Excel, what we will do?
Yes, ma'am.
Excel,
Ma'am,
I'll give you the question
ma'am,
paper. Yeah. Yeah, tell me. And for Excel,
Ma'am, I still didn't.
what happened, Zainab?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
I
tell me.
still didn't. I
Understood.
still didn't download Excel.
It's okay. Listen, Excel, you didn't download. But you don't have to do any practical thing in Excel. Scratch, you have to do practical work. Excel, I will give you question answers. I'll give you one question with 4 options. And you have to refer the notes which I have uploaded at Google Classroom. Is that clear? In case, again, you're not understanding, then WhatsApp me, I'll clear it out. Fine. Is that clear? Any doubt, ask me. Don't be in a state of confusion or hesitation.
Ma'am,
Whatever
can
it is,
you
clear
just
it out.
send on WhatsApp? Just send on WhatsApp.
No, beta, go at Google Classroom. That's quite long. The paper pattern and all. You go and you see over there. Okay, Amara? Chalo, should we start now?
Okay.
Should we start with maths?
Yes.
Already 15 minutes I kept
Yes.
instructing you about the exams which is going to held the next week. Now, I think we should be back on maths. Okay. I think I have to take your tables. Am I right? Or should we
Yes.
go on the sum solving? Should we go on multiplication problems? Tell me. Because many of you have not got the tables properly. And I'm left with 8 and 9 table. Amir, are you there? Okay. Everyone remove your book. Everyone remove your book. Everyone.
Ma'am,
Maths book. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, maths book.
Of course, beta. Of course, Ian. Fast. Very nice, Musfira. Mariam, are you there?
Ma'am.
Done? Okay. First, write force table. Everyone, write force table. Fast. Fast, fast, fast. Force table. Why don't you get your book and keep it ready before this class starts? For maths, at least.
Ma'am, I
keep
did
it.
it like that only.
Yes, Musfira, I saw you had your book beforehand. Mariam, turn on your
Ma'am,
camera. Let me see you.
I also had my book.
Okay, Khatija. I didn't see, na, that's why. Musfira just lifted her book, so that is why it was visible to me. Why do you sit near the sunlight, Musfira Rizwani, when you have a problem? Take some other corner, right?
Ma'am, I don't have another corner.
How is that possible, beta? Start. Force table, start, start.
Ma'am, they have to write again.
Yes. Wait. Wait.
Table.
Amir already known, it's of no use. Amir, 9th table. Wait, Amir, you write 9th table.
And I?
Wait. Ian, 4th table. Amara, 4th table. Okay. Zainab, 6th table. Khatija, 7th table. Ali, 8th table.
Yes.
Musfira,
It.
6th table.
Which
Musfira Sayyed. Musfira Sayyed and Musfira Rizwani both will write 6th table. Mariam, 9th table. Okay. Chalo, start. After writing it, you have to speak up. Fast. Don't write 4th table, Amir. Write 9th table.
Ma'am,
Okay? Yeah. Fast.
ma'am, but I have write already in spin wheel.
Write it again. I'm making you prepare for your next week's exam. So that at least your table part is done. You just have to do one chapter, addition and subtraction.
विजेट चाहिए आपको?
Done, ma'am.
Okay, speak up, Zainab.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30.
Is that the way?
36.
Zainab, is that the way? I never want multiples.
6 ones are equal to 6. 6
Close your book.
twos
Close your
are
book.
equal
Close your
to-
book. Yeah. Close your book. Zainab, close your book. Yes. Now speak up. Go on.
6 ones are equal to 6. 6 twos are equal to 12. 6 threes are equal to 6 threes are equal to 6 threes are equal to 8. 4s are equal to 6 4s are equal to 6 5s are equal 6 5s are equal to 30. 6 6s are equal to 36. 6 7s are equal to 6 7s are equal to 42. 6 8s are equal to 48. 6 9s are equal to 54. 6 10s are equal to 60.
Very good. 7th table now. Zainab, write it. Don't waste time. Fast. Ian done? Ian done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Amir, then I'm taking next yours. Yeah, Ian. Which table did I give you? 4s?
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8.
4 2s are equals to 8. Okay.
4 ones are equals to 4. 4 twos are equals to 8. 4 threes are equals to 12. 4 threes are 4 fours are equal to 18.
16.
4 fives are
16.
16. 4 fives are equal to 20.
Very good.
4 six are equals to 24.
Very
4
good.
sevens are equal to 48.
Very good.
4 eights are equals to 4 eights are equals to 39.
No. 32.
32.
Yeah.
4 nines are equal to 36.
Very good.
10s are 40.
Very good. Now Ian, 6 table. Right, 6 table. Amir, go on. Ali, next is your turn. Amir, go on. 9th table.
9 ones are equal to 9. 9 twos are equal to 18. 9 threes are equal to 27. 9 fours are equal to 36. 9 fives are equal to 45. 9 sixes are equal to 64. 9 sevens are equal to 63. 9 eights are equal to 72.
Very
9
good.
nines are equal to 81. 9 tens are equal to 90.
Very nice. Very good. Ali, your turn. Ali, your turn. 8
8
what?
ones are equals to 8. 8 twos are equals to 16. 8 threes are equals to 24. 8 fours are equals to 32. 8 fives are equals to 40. 8 sixes are equals to 48. 8 sevens are equal. 8 sevens are equals to 56. 8 eights are equal to 8 eights are equals to 64. 8 nines are equals to 72. 8 tens are equals to
9th table. Ali, 9th table. Okay. Yeah.
right.
Yes. Musfira Sayyed. Start with 6th table. Start. Where did you go, Musfira? Okay, Musfira Rizwani, your turn. Musfira Rizwani.
Ma'am, there was a signal that my laptop's battery was running. That's why. Can I say?
Yeah.
No.
Tell.
Can I say
No, beta, let us speak. Let us speak. Musfira Rizwani, let us speak. Yeah, Musfira Sayyed.
17, 18, 19.
You are unmuted. Beta, you are muted. Okay.
Yeah. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12.
No, Musfira. Say it properly.
6 ones are equal to 6. 6 twos are equal to 12. 6 threes are equal to 18. 6 fours are equal to 24.
Yes, right.
Yeah, 24. 6 fives are equal to 30. 39.
Yeah, Khatija, I'm coming to you.
6
Yeah.
sixes are equal to 36. 6 sevens are equal to 48.
No.
No, 42.
42. Yes.
6 eights are 6 nines are equal to
6 eights are. Where 8 went?
6 eights are equal to 48.
Yes.
6 nines are equal to 54.
True.
52.
Yes. 54. Not 52.
Yes, I said 54.
Okay.
Achha, 54. 6 times are equal to 60.
Yeah. 7th table now. Yeah, Musfira. After Musfira, Khatija, then Amara. Yeah, Musfira. Go on.
6 ones are equal to 6. 6 twos are equal to 12. 6 threes are equal to 18. 6 fours are equal to 24. 6 fives are equal to 30. 6 sixes are equal to 36. 6 sevens are equal to 42. 6 8 are equal to 48. 6 9 are equal
Amir,
to
what's wrong
54.
with you? Yeah.
54.
Yeah.
6 10 are equal to 60.
Okay. Why are you dancing? Yeah. Khatija, your turn.
Ma'am, now which table I want to write?
7.
Okay.
Amir, you have to wait little because you know all the tables now. Let me take theirs. Okay. Yeah, Khatija.
7 ones are equal to 7, 7 twos are equal to 14, 7 threes are equal to 21, 7 fours are equal to 28, 7 fives are equal to 35, 7 six are equal to
42.
42, 7 sevens are equal to 49,
Good.
7 eights are equal to 56.
Yes.
7 nines are equal to 63. 7 tens are equal to 7.
Good. Amara, which table did I give you? Yeah. Start. Yeah.
Four ones are
Wait, Ian. Yeah.
4 ones are 4, 4 2. Look, 4 ones are equal to 4. 4 twos are equal to 4 twos are equal to 8.
Good.
4 threes are equal to 4 threes are equal to 12. 4
Yes.
fours are equal to
16.
16.
Amara, yeah.
4 fives are
Sevens.
equal to 20. 4 6 are equal to 24. 4 sevens are equal to 28. 4 eights are equal to 32. 4 nines are equal to 36. 4 tens are equal to 40.
Very good.
Next table,
Okay.
ma'am.
6. Mariam, are you there?
Okay.
Khatija said. Mariam, I didn't hear it from you. Mariam, where are you roaming, Mariam? Yeah.
Ma'am,
Wait, Ian, wait. You said one table, na? Mariam didn't say ninth table. Yeah, Mariam, go on.
Ma'am, I'm not done.
You didn't say ninth table. You have done?
I'm not done, I'm saying.
Okay. Write it fast. Okay. Now, to do. Now look, I cannot ask you again and again each individually the tables because we don't have that much of time. So should I ask you the tables from in between? And you'll raise the hand and you'll give me the answer. Amara, Amara, how many tables you have done, Amara? Till 6 you have done?
Yes, ma'am. 2 to 6.
Okay, you have done till 2 to 6. Please, Amara, till Wednesday do it. Till 10. Okay, Amara?
Today I will
Ian,
learn 7.
yeah, please do it, Amara. Ian, how many tables do you know?
8.
Till 8? Okay, learn it till 9. 10 is very easy. Ali, you know till 10? He knows till 12. Amir also know it. Musfira Sayyad?
I'm just writing.
Okay. Musfira Sayyad, how many tables do you know?
Huh?
How many tables do you know?
I noticed 6 and I'm revising 7.
Yes, but you have to learn it till 9. Okay? Till next week, you have to do it till 9. 10 is quite simple, so you'll get that easily. Musfira Rizwani, how many tables do you know?
I know 2 to 6.
No, but you have to learn 7, 8, 9 also. Okay, Musfira? Musfira, are you listening?
Yes,
I'm not till 8.
Good.
I'm
9.
learning
Why you
9.
don't know, Ali? You don't know 9's table?
I'm revising 9 just.
Okay. Zainab, how about you? You are muted.
9's table.
Till 9's table, you know? Good. Khatija, how about you?
7. I know till 7, but I know one more table as 10. So
Yes,
8.
please do it. Till Wednesday, I want all my Faraday kids should be well
Ma'am,
versed
I'm
with
done.
tables. Only after you
I'm
are
done.
thorough with your tables, I will start with the sums. I don't want I'm doing the sums and you don't know what is the tables. This is very important, kids. That is the reason
Ma'am,
I'm
I'm
wasting
done.
my 2-3 class on this. Because once you're thorough with this, your multiplication, your division, your many things will get sorted out. So that's why I'm behind this. Okay? Is that clear? Is that clear to everyone?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
doing division at home.
We are doing what?
I'm doing division at home.
Oh, good. But we will first do multiplication, then we will go to division. Okay?
Ma'am, I'm done.
Who's this?
Mariam Khan.
Mariam. Now I am asking you this thing, the tables from between. Now you can make a video and you can send it to me because we are running short of time. It's already 10:35. Fine. Okay. Chalo. Now I want first. Rayan, are you there? You never speak, Rayan. Yeah, Rayan, are you there? Okay. I want, where is Musfira Sayed? Where she went? Ian, I want you to answer. Unmute yourself. Yeah. Tell me what is 4 6 are. Nobody is answering except
6 are 24.
Very good. Ali, your turn. Ali, your turn.
Yes.
9 6 is how much?
9.
Don't look at your book. Yes. 9 6 are.
Writing that
6.
only.
Wait. You tell me what is 6 9s are. Okay, you tell me what is 6 9s are.
6 9s are.
Yeah.
6
What?
9s are 9 6 is on same only.
Same only. So why do you want to revise 9's table? That's my point. You didn't understand. Okay. Who will answer me 9 6 are? Okay. Zainab, tell me, then I'll go to Amir. Yeah, Zainab. You're muted, beta. You're muted.
9 6 are.
Good. Okay. Next question. Next question.
Ma'am, Ian,
Yeah, Ian, tell me.
59.
What? 9 6 are?
Yes, ma'am.
No, beta. It's 54. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
54. Okay. Next question. This is quite easy. 4 3s are.
To whom, ma'am?
Wait. You know, no. 4 3s are. Amara will answer. Yeah, Amara. What is 4 3s are?
4 3s are 12.
Very good. 4 3s are 12. Now, Khatija, I want you to answer. Khatija, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
8 6 is how much? Or 6 8s are?
Ma'am, there was
I know. It's okay, Musfira. It's okay. Yeah. Tell me, Khatija. 8 6 or 6 8s are?
48.
Very good. You people are not looking in the
48.
book and answering me, na? You're thinking and answering, na? Don't look in the book and directly answer me. Mariam, your turn. Mariam, your turn. Yeah,
Yes.
tell me what is 9 8s are?
9 8s are.
Yes, what is it? Mariam, you're muted, beta. How would I listen you? Yes, tell me what is it?
9 are 72.
Very good. It's correct. Musfira Sayyad, your turn. Now where Musfira Rizwani went, yeah. Your turn.
Yes.
Tell me how much is 8 3s are? 8 3s is how much?
70,
Think. You have to think.
In my name is Abdullah. In my name.
Amir is giving hint to everyone. Huh? But you people are not understanding. He's giving hint.
I can say
54.
Yes, it's 24. Okay, fine. Okay, listen. Please learn your tables till 9.
Ma'am, you're muted.
Yeah.
Ma'am, Amara, I write 6 tables.
Good. You have written now, but you have to learn it. From between, I'm asking you, you should be able to learn, tell me the answer. I don't want the
Ma'am, you
written part
can-
because written part is very simple. You do it finger counting and you write it. You should know it orally. I'm asking you in between and you should be able to answer it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am, you can tell me from between.
Yeah,
I know
sure.
the
I will
table
take
of
that in your next session. It's already 10:40. Okay. Again, I'm repeating for the maths class because when next we are meeting, you are having maths class. Am I right?
Ma'am,
When do you have your maths class? Wait, let me check. It's on Wednesday.
Friday.
Friday, it's Friday? Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah,
wait,
tomorrow
wait.
Thursday. Tomorrow will be science
Wait.
and I.
Ma'am, you didn't ask me. Can you ask me something?
Wait, Zainab, just give me 2 minutes. Where is Faraday? Faraday.
I am learning 8th table.
Please
And
learn
I know
it. Please.
I know 7 and 6 and all those tables.
No, beta, your paper is on Wednesday. Maths paper is on Wednesday. Yes, you have maths paper on Wednesday and Thursday you have first computers paper, ICT, and then science paper. Yes. Understood? Have you understood? What am I saying? So next Wednesday when we are meeting, I'll get your paper along with me. Okay, question paper. I'll give you time. You have to solve it. You have to mark the answers. For 15 marks paper would be there. And 10 marks, I gave it to spin wheel thing. Have you understood? And what I'll ask in the paper for 15 marks? Addition, subtraction, word problems, and multiplication. Yeah.
Ma'am, at home we have to make the spin wheel and show you. Right?
Yes, till 28th. Till 28th we can make it. I have given you a lot of time. Next week, concentrate on your exam. Don't make spin wheel only. Don't waste your time. First, concentrate on your exam. Okay, best of luck for your maths exam. We are meeting tomorrow for ICT and science. Is that clear? ICT and science are meeting tomorrow. Chalo, bye-bye. Any doubts, tell me. Ask me. WhatsApp me.
Okay.
Chalo, bye.
Okay,
Take
ma'am.
care.
Bye. Bye.
Learn your tables. Learn your
Okay,
tables
ma'am,
till
I
next
have a
Wednesday.
question.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. I have a question, ma'am.
Okay. I'm there. I'm there. Yeah, tell me.
Do we have to make all the 10 tables?
Yes. Yes. I have given 10 marks for it now.
We have to make. Okay.
This would be like your childhood memory.
10
Beta. You'll
spin
keep it.
wheels.
Okay. Fine.
Bye,
Chalo.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.